Hello friends. Today our topic is about a girl named Little Sarah. On this topic we will discuss a short story today.
In a world filled with mediocrity, Sarah dreams of leaving her mark on the world. Inspired by stories of greatness, she sets out on a quest to achieve her own version of success. Despite facing skepticism and doubt from those around her, Sarah remains steadfast in her determination to turn her dreams into reality. Armed with nothing but her unwavering determination, Sarah sets out on her journey to greatness. Along the way, she encounters challenges and setbacks that threaten to derail her progress. But with each obstacle overcome, Sarah grows stronger and more resilient, fueling her desire to achieve her goals. As Sarah's journey progresses, she faces her greatest challenge yet self-doubt. Tempted to give up in the face of adversity, Sarah must dig deep to find the strength to persevere. With the support of friends and mentors, she learns to silence the voices of doubt and embrace the belief in her own abilities. In the end, Sarah emerges victorious, having conquered her fears and achieved her dreams. Her journey of self-discovery has not only transformed her own life, but has also inspired others to chase their own aspirations. With a newfound sense of purpose and fulfillment, Sarah sets her sights on even greater heights, knowing that the path to greatness is endless.
And now let's do quiz together.
What motivates Sarah to pursue her dreams? What challenges does Sarah face on her journey? How does Sarah overcome adversity? What is the message of the story? How does Sarah inspire others?
That's all. We will finish our today's video with this. And until we meet in the next video, please do not forget to subscribe on the channel and write comments.